going to use some anchor lube here instead of just I'm just hoping it went deep enough. This is a Tormach tapping head, and I really like it. Okay. Oh, I guess there's another one. It is a little on the small side, so I'm going to go back to that first cutter and I'm going to repost the contour pass that did the final and go from there. It probably seems a little weird that I didn't just drill it right in the middle, but the thing is always leave yourself an out. Okay, I drilled it slightly here because if this comes out wrong and I screw it up, I've got real estate here to do it again. Okay, it won't look cool, but it won't need to be replaced. And I'm gonna put the other one back in the same way here so that they'll look the same. I also didn't want to put it right in line, you know, with another hole. These are offset. I'm not exactly sure why. There's 10 bolts around the outside, so it is symmetrical. So since these are offset from these holes, I wanted to make sure there wasn't some kind of worry over a stress line, you know. So I made sure that these weren't straight in line with the outside holes either. Okay, I have not test fit this yet, put it on yet, so we'll see. I did, I chamfered these with a chamfer on the drill press, and then I just hand chamfered this, you know, with a deburred it. Okay, according to the calipers, measuring this and this, we should be good. Oh. Ho ho ho! Oh, that's freaking nice. That's a better fit than the factory rotors. So, yes, I'm happy with that. I will leave those specs the same. They all thread in without without binding on the sidewalls. Okay, so basically all the holes are lined up perfect. And the little bit of drag that it gets is when the bolt comes through the end here, because I hit it with that chamfer on the drill and that pushed a little burr in there, so the screw just had to push it back out. But looks like I still have serrated nuts to go on the inside here, and so done. Pretty happy with those.